Hello students, welcome back again. This is Ballu Harish. Today we are going to discuss about different methods of execution of any of a program in the PyCharm and ArcMap and ArcCatalog interfaces. These are the three different interfaces which allows the user to interact with the Python software. Okay, first we will be discussing about the PyCharm software. Within the PyCharm software we can execute a program in two different methods. One is using the print statement and another using the arcpy statement. Okay, first we'll be discussing about the print statement. Okay, I will copy the same print statement for multiple times. Just I am going to copy it for 5 times, no issue. We can maintain same different print statements with different matters. Okay, to execute the program, just right click on the tab and run the program. It takes 1 to 2 minutes for executing the program. Here what the thing that is happening is just debugging of the program is getting happen. Debugging means source code is getting converted to the object code, that is machine code. High level languages will be converted to a language which will be understood by the machines. Okay, here if you see, you have got the output for 5 times. Why? Because you have mentioned the print statement for 5 times. This is one method of execution of a program in PyCharm software. If you want to execute the same program, you can do it using the arcpy statement. Okay, just I am going to save this program just in today's lecture material. Okay, it is already saved. Okay, it is second method of execution of a program is using the arcpy. Just it is arcpy dot add message, arcpy dot add message. I'm going to use the same print statement. I'm going to use the same print statements. Hello, I'm going to copy the same statement for 5 times. Okay, to run the program, same first method is we have run the output using the print statement. Second method is using the arcpy statement. Just right click on this tab, select run. You are going to getting output for 5 times. Okay, again same source code is getting converted to the object code. You will be seeing the output here on the screen. Hello, you have got the output for 5 times. You got output process finished with exit code 0. If it is 1 means there is an error in the program. Okay, this is one method of execution of a program. Next, if you want to do okay, just I am renaming this program name practice 6. Okay, next practice 6. This is one method of execution of a and these are the two different ways for execution of a program in the PyCharm interface. Next, I am going to the ArcMap. Okay, open the ArcMap. Here you can see a Python console window. Just click on it. You will be getting a window like this. Just right click on this particular Python console window. Here you can find the option load. Now here you need to load the program which is saved with the print statement. Okay, sorry, I think if you run this program you won't get output. Why? Because in the Python console which has been opened using the ArcMap, it need to have the print. It should not have arcpy.add message. If you run the program, you are not going to get the output. Okay, just if you want to have the output, if you want okay, it is not getting edited. Just open the program, rename the print. Okay, just make it as print. Remove this arcpy.add message, copy this hello statement, copy this hello statement. Okay, now Again go to the arc map. What the thing that we have find an error, if the output statement is with arcpy.add message, we are not getting the output. So just right click, again go to load. Now open the program which are having the print statement. Here it is having a print statement, just run the program. Now okay, just click the enter for 2 times. Here you can see hello has been printed for 5 times. That means whatever the Python console which has been opened in the ArcMap software, it need to have the print statement. It should not have the arcpy.add message. Okay. Next, second method of execution is just go to the arccat.log. Okay, this is the second method of execution of a program, Python console which has been opened using the ArcMap. Just close this window. Next, go to the arccat.log. Okay, just I am going to I am going to connect to the today's folder. This is our Python 3rd unit. Next, within the day 4 is there here, just click on it. Okay, after getting this particular window, just right click on new toolbox. You will be getting a toolbox.tbx. again right click, add, click on script. Now here you can name it as anything, CSIT. Label also you can make it as anything, IST. Okay, your name is CSIT, label is IST. We can find the difference. What is the difference between name and label? After getting the name and label, just click on next. Here you need to open the script file. Now we need to open the program which is having arcpy.add message statement. Okay, just click on open. After uploading the script file, just click on next. Here also just click on finish. After here if you see, this is the label we have given. Okay, that's the what are the thing you give in the label section, the particular label will be seen here. To run the program, just double click. Okay, next click on OK. Here you can see the hello statement. Okay, hello statement, you can see the hello statement for 5 times. Okay, just remember one thing, whatever the things you will give under the label section, it will be reflected here. Okay, that's it. These are the 3 different ways for execution of a program in the PyCharm, ArcMap, arccat.log. Within the Python PyCharm, it can be executed in 2 different ways. Okay, in the next session we will be discussing about another concept of which is mentioned in the 3rd unit syllabus of Python. See you, bye bye, take care.